Hey guys, welcome to the Butterbean shop. I've already started making the maple sugar soap, and I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I'm recording now, so all is well. I've already divided this off into my colors. So this is going to be, this fragrance discolors. So this is going to be my brown. So I'm going to go ahead and pour in brown oxide, just to make sure that it's going to discolor evenly. Also going to pour off a yellow, which is lemon drop yellow from Nurture Soap. Okay, and then I have Sunset Orange, that is from Brambleberry. So I'm going to pour that in here. I also have Ooh La La Mica. This is from Rustic Essentials. So I'm going to pour that in here. So this is a very fall color palette. And then we have some titanium dioxide, which is just going to brighten it up a little bit. guys, I'm here to cut the maple sugar soap that I made yesterday. I already split the loaf, and I already cut one of them, but here's the top of the other. It smells so good. It smells like pancakes. So I'll go ahead and get this cut for you. So this did overheat and it did crack. Let me see if I can show you one that cracked. It did crack on the top, but I mean it's a pretty bad crack. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with these few that cracked. I might go ahead and keep it, but it also because of the overheating, it created these glycerin rivers, but they're so pretty. I usually hate glycerin rivers, but these glycerin rivers are so pretty and they go so well with the soap, so I really like them. So I am not mad at all with the glycerin rivers on the soap. So I'm actually very happy. So I'm gonna cut the end off here. Here, and here we go. Goes one. This is just the end piece. It gets better as we go from what I learned on my other soap, on my other loaf. Okay, let's see. This is pretty.